Guys, the Apple Vision Pro is here. It is here. It's finally here, guys. Got a couple boxes here because this is probably the Apple Vision Pro. Got the carrying case. There's a battery. And one other accessory. I don't even remember what I bought. Alright, so this is everything, guys. The Apple Vision Pro. Got the Vision Pro case. It's a lot smaller than I thought it'd be. Have the battery holder. My extra battery is going to be coming next Monday, I think. And I wear glasses, so this is the Vision Pro Zeiss lenses. Really cool that I can use this headset without needing my glasses. Here it is, guys.
Nice.